Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. So we're going to be looking at a 4-bedroom HMO with en-suites that we're currently doing at the moment. This is literally had everything laid out with regards to the joinery, having the right rooms in place as well. So we changed the layout. There's still some walls that need to be knocked down with RSJs, but we're going to have a look at this week. So let's jump inside and see exactly what we've done so far. So currently we are in the first bedroom that we've actually configured. So we're changing the layout of this 4-bedroom HMO with en-suites. And the main reason for it is really just to get the right size rooms that we need. Now we are very specific on what type of properties we do take, so we can obviously get the right layouts, put the right size rooms in here. As you can see, this is going to have an en-suite. We've partitioned this out already, so we're going to have obviously your shower cubicle over here. You have your basin probably roughly around about here, and you have your toilet over here as well. So it's very well spaced out, nice size, obviously en-suite, and we've still got a nice size double bedroom in here. The important thing with anything with the HMO is understand where your furniture is going to be, where your beds, your wardrobes, where your desks are going to go. Any bedside tables as well, because that's going to determine where everything's going to be located, where your TV points are going to be, where your plug sockets are going to be as well. Also your drainage, where that's going to go, like so your shower cubicles, etc. Where making sure that you get the right angle on obviously your sewage as well. But let's jump into the rear of the property. We can have a look where the 4th bedroom is, as well as the kitchen communal area for this 4-bedroom HMO. So right now I'm in the heart of the property. This is going to be the center of the property, where we're going to have the communal area as well as the kitchen in here as well. Now, a couple of things that we're actually going to change in this room. As you can see, there's a lot of plasterboard that needs to be going onto the actual the walls, and obviously the partitions as well, which is important. Got the fire doors there as well, ready to kind of go in. However, there's obviously some structural work that needs going in. This wall needs to be knocked down. We're going to put an RSJ across that gives it the support. This is a load-bearing wall. So a load-bearing wall is simply where it's a main supporting wall, and it's got obviously a lot of weight above it. So it's not necessarily knocking down, say, a partition wall, which doesn't have any support. It's just something that's been created, say, maybe out of joinery, not supporting anything. So we have to put strength back into here. If we didn't put strength back in here, this would all just fall down over time. But we open this up to probably around about here, which is going to create some extra space for the kitchen units just go alongside this wall, but just open up very nicely. And you want to be creating as much space as possible in HMO to make it feel homely. You don't want to just feel cramped on people and just put in a room for the sake of it. Let's jump into the rear of the property so we can look at the 2nd bedroom on the ground floor. Currently I'm in the rear of the property. This is bedroom number 2 with an en-suite. Partition wall is going to actually be roughly around about here. This will obviously be fireboarded protected. We need to do that because obviously we're breaking down this wall over here, which is going to be the kitchen units going into the center of the property. Main thing, a couple of things we're going to be doing. You'll notice that there's joinery to the rear of the property. We've raised the floor a couple of inches, just because obviously to keep the flow of the flooring being consistent throughout. This ceiling will obviously still needs to come out. We're able to, because it's a lowered actual ceiling, we'll be able to get it out to increase the headroom as well. But what you'll notice is this door is going to be blocked up. We don't need it because it's got the bedroom over here. And then we'll replace it with a fire exit window, and we put in French doors into the center of the property, so you'll still be able to get out, let loads of light into the center of the property. It'll just feel nice and homey at the end, so not cramped at all. Let's jump upstairs and have a look at the 2 bedrooms upstairs with en-suites. Currently we are in bedroom number 3 in the front of the house on the 1st floor. You'll notice that obviously we've partitioned out the actual en-suite. It looks a little bit small from the camera, however it's quite large. You'll notice that we've actually taken a bit of the room here. This was broken through previously before, so it's got obviously support in there already, so we didn't actually need to reinforce it. I spoke to building regs, they're happy with everything. But this is literally like channeled out for the shower cubicle in here. We'll have a basin over here, and obviously toilet there. So it's going to be nice, still quite spacious. It's not going to be like massive, but it works really, really well, okay? So we're going to find that this bedroom's actually quite large itself. It's way over your 10.22 square meters required for a double bedroom for 2 occupants. But also you'll notice that obviously the wiring as well. We've got first fix of wiring starting to go in, but let's jump into the next bedroom to see exactly what's been done there, because we've had a whole wall been knocked down. There's going to be a huge bedroom with an ensuite. Okay, so currently we are in bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 is going to be, obviously its ensuite is there. That was the original bathroom. Okay, so up here was a partition wall that just got knocked down. Obviously we've blocked off the bedroom in there. For some reason, you could actually get through that bed between the 2 bedrooms over there and there. Weird layout, I know, but however, we've knocked down this partition over here. This is going to be bedroom number 4, sorry, and then you're going to have your ensuite over here. So it's going to be a massive, massive bedroom, this one, with a huge bathroom. So we'll have actual shower tray in there. But let's go have a look into it and see exactly what we're going to be doing in that ensuite there. Okay, so currently we're in the ensuite for bedroom number 4. This was the original bathroom, so it's quite a large room anyway, so it's going to be quite big. But what we find in this corner over here, we're going to have like an open shower tray, toilet, basin, nice and simple, and obviously it'll be all tiled and everything will be all done to a high standard. So whoever's going to get this bedroom is obviously going to get the largest one, which is great. So we'll probably get maybe say 130 a week for this room rather than say 120 for the others, just because it's a slightly larger space. However, how we've designed the actual property, it's going to look really, really fantastic at the end of it. So keep up for other progress with this property and our other properties that we're currently refurbing at the moment. Thanks very much for watching this week's Refurb Wednesdays. Now I'm super excited to actually show you guys this project, so make sure you tune in for other updates as we go along every single week. Also, we've got other projects going on as well, so we'll be showing them as well for Refurb Wednesdays. So make sure you stay tuned every week at 6 p.m. for Refurb Wednesdays. Now we've been looking today at a 4-bedroom HMO with en-suites, and we're converting it into a nice HMO property for professional tenants. Our client is currently based in Hong Kong, and they've been completely hands-off in the whole process. We've taken care of the full finding the property that suits their basic needs and what their strategy is, short-term and long-term, as well as making sure we take care of this whole process for project management all the way up to the lettings agency, where they're able to let out the property and get it rented for their specific strategy. If you'd like to find out more from that, then please head to jenicproperty.com. That's jenicproperty.com, where you can book in a call with one of our team to see how we can help you moving forward. Thanks very much for watching. My name is Nic Clark, helping you profit from UK property, one property at a time.